Okay, in this video we're going to look at how to add OPBNB coin to SafePal wallet. Alright, so you have created the wallet. It looks like this now. There's no funds in it yet. It is pre-populated with these coins, crypto coins. It's just standard coins that they issue. We're not going to use any of these in X3. You can add them, remove them, add them later as well. It doesn't matter. But you're going to scroll all the way up to manage coins, and then you're going to click on and deselect, toggle them off. So we're not going to use all of these. If you start at the top, they will all disappear. Right there, you're going to scroll up. What we are looking for is BNB on the OPBNB network. On old versions this icon is still black, so if you have updated your wallet to the latest, this will also be yellow, so make sure it says OPBNB. That is the correct token. So you're going to toggle it on, and then because it's not a default coin, you have to add it manually. Alright, so that is how you add BNB on the OPBNB network to SafePal. Right, just take note that you can transfer from other wallets within SafePal. In SafePal you can add multiple or open multiple wallets, not only one. So how do you transfer from another wallet in SafePal? Excuse me, you're just going to press on the coin itself, on BNB, and at the bottom you can see this, right at the bottom you see this receive and there's send. Right, we're going to go to receive, and then we're going to back it up later now. Okay, so because I want to back it up after I registered, because we're going to rename this wallet. Right, so we're going to, because if you just gonna press receive, you're not gonna see this at the bottom. You're gonna pull the screen up. There it is, deposit from another wallet. Many members do not know this. Make sure it is still BNB on the OPBNB network. Deposit from another wallet. And it will take some time, and it will open and give you a list of all the wallets that has got OPBNB listed in the wallets and the amounts available. Right, so just sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Right, and there we go. So you're going to scroll all the way down to the wallet I want. I'm going to look for that one, and it is number 5 that I know. So it's this one, it's 0.001001. That is the minimum that you need for X3 position for the level 1. If you want to add more positions or more levels, then you're just going to adjust this amount here. And you're going to press next and send it. Approve the transaction. Then it is in your wallet. You go back top left, go back again top left, and refresh the wallet. But when you say refresh, we just pull down the screen and it will update. And there you can see the funds is in the wallet. 0.001001, the minimum you need to register a position. Alright, thank you very much.